I remember me and Slim, we in the kitchen, standing over the microwave, put it in the Pyrex, add the baking soda in, and let it dry up, cook it up, watch the microwave, it'll jump back fast, I'm tryna teach you some shit. Young nigga gotta listen to me, understand I'm finna show you how to make the best shit in the city. Ain't nobody gon' never be able to fuck with you. I'm telling you right now, once you do this, you'll be the richest in the hood. Cause ain't nobody know how to straight drop they dough like this. They can't do it like this. I'ma show you how to do it like it came from the 80s. You had the best shit for real. And when you wanna make the best and the fast money, this the shit you sell to make you come back for real. I remember everything that you said to me. I remember the way you broke it down and you showed me. When it jumped back in the Pyrex, smack a little hot water to make it lock up a little faster. I remember that shit like the back of my head, cause it still give me paid right now. It's paying everything in my life. You know what I'm saying? He told me stand right here and listen to me, young nigga. Understand what I'm telling you. I'm finna show you some shit that'll have you rich for the rest of your life. Can't nobody straight drop they shit like this. I'm telling you this some real shit. They can't cook it like this. You had the best shit hitting like it's from the 80s. I'm telling you, but it's really from the 80s. Can't nobody clean they dope like you. No matter what way it's coming in, I'm getting clean. I can clean anything in the pot. I miss my dog, I appreciate him for that shit. Show me how to whip that shit in the microwave. Show me how to put it on the stove for real. Remember we was trapped in the boarded rooms, seeing what I had on the wall, like for real. Told me take my time, understand slow money is the best grind. Ain't nobody fuck with you. I'm telling you right now, young nigga, listen to me, I'ma show you how to whip it for real. Show you how to put it in the pie. I'ma show you how to do it, but you gotta listen to me.